right, boys and girls, it's Gordon Guitar. Welcome, everybody. We have Wish Wednesday. That means you wish for songs, and I have the opportunity to pick some of them and give them to you here on Wednesday. So this time we have you, 11 Sharky. You wished for this song from Graham called Body Language. All right. So I hope you will enjoy this, and all you Graham fans. We actually had Graham here recently, and he will be back for sure. So I noticed that he's highly appreciated. So let's go into this one. Body Language. Let's go with capo on fourth. Okay, that is the absolute best scenario for us. So if you have a capo, put that on there. If you don't have any, I would probably go with the same chords maybe and just perform it a bit darker, absolutely, because it's on the fourth fret. But anyway, this is a very easy setup. So yeah, capo on fourth, best scenario for us. And let's go over the four chords that are rolls in the same way through the entire song. We have first the A minor 7. Okay, sounds like that. And it goes open A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. Next chord is the E minor. Open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. We have F next, and that's a bar chord. You place the index finger on the first fret, and you cover all strings there. And then you need to add third on A, third on D, and second on G. And speaking of G, that's the last chord. And that goes third on E, second on A, open D, open G, open B, and third E. So A minor to E minor to F to G, right? That is your hand language, body language, hand language, haha, funny there. Let's go into how to handle these chords. So I prefer here the plucking style. And that means you're gonna use your fingers for the different strings like this, not downs and ups. So you're gonna pluck them. And why? Because we have certain notes here we wanna emphasize, and you have more control when you use that style. But I'm gonna give you both ways of handling this. So we're gonna start with what I prefer most of this two styles. So the plucking style, we're gonna look into it with the A minor 7 chord. So grab that one. Here you want to emphasize the first fret B string. That's where the melody goes. That note. And yeah, you hold the chord as it is, and you're gonna play like this. That is one round. So you're gonna play first the bass note, and that will be the open A. And then you answer with top notes. And here you can incorporate all the other strings down till that first fret B string. Okay, so that means the second D, open G, and first B. You pluck them simultaneously, 3 strings like that. So bass, top, and then comes the clap. And then you pluck them all together, the bass and the top strings. And then you have a short pause, and then comes the clap again. That is one round. So bass, top, clap, pick everything, and then clap. Okay, so that is one round. Bass, top, clap, full, and clap. And then you're just gonna follow that principle with all the other chords. Now the chords has different notes to emphasize. So for E minor, now of course the bass note is on the open E string. And you pick all the strings when you answer the A, the D, and the G, okay? Because the G, open G string, that note is the one you want to emphasize. So that will be always the last string down that you're gonna pick, because that will emphasize that note. Okay, so and now you switch to F chord, and when you use this style, you don't actually have to hold the bar style of it, because we're not gonna go down to the B and E string when you pick the strings here. You just need to hold the first fret E string if you choose to go with this style with the index finger. You don't have to put it on the bar, you could, but yeah, if you prefer to just have it on the single note, 1st fret E string, that is what you need. So you're gonna play 1st fret E string as the bass note, and then you answer with the same string as you answered with the E minor, the A, D, and G, because now the melody goes on the 2nd fret G string. So that is one round of F, and then you go over to G, and when you use this style again, you only need to hold the 3rd fret E string as the bass note. Everything down there that you're gonna use will be open strings. So, okay, another. So that is how you handle the G. You're gonna pick the 3rd fret E string, and then you answer with the D, G, and the open B. And the open B string, that is where the melody goes. That is the note you want to emphasize. That note. So, and you fulfilled one chord progression round. This goes in the same way through the entire song. So A minor, E minor, F, and G goes like this slowly. Okay, and standard tempo a little bit faster like this. And so on. All right, that's the first version, first style of it. Now we're gonna look into just the downs and ups, okay? So you follow the same pattern, and when you play now the bass, you're gonna play one down. So if you go back to the A minor 7, down, up, clap, down, clap. That is how it's gonna look like. So down, up, clap, down, clap. That is one round. And you just follow one string round per chord, same chords, and it goes like this. When you choose this style, of course, you hold the full chords as they are. And that is how you handle Graham's body language. Sharky. Hope you enjoyed this. Very easy song to play. So a good choice there to pick this one from Graham. So thank you for being here, and till next time, everybody, play tuned.